So we're going over again how to express a number in standard form. The number, when we're talking about what standard form is, that's just the number in its natural digit state. So let's look at what we're presented with. It looks like it's in word form, so let's look at it. 74,206,485 hundredths. So what I'm going to have to do now is go even deeper into what it's telling me. So the very first thing I see here is this word 70. Okay. I know 70 is a place value. I know it is a number. I know that the number is 7. Next to that, I see the number 4. So right now we have 70, and then we have 4. Next to that, we have the place value, and that place value is million. So right now we have 74 million. The next thing I see, we have 200, and then 6,000, and then I see 400, and 85. So what does that look like? Well, again, 70, I know the 70 is first represented by 7. Okay, I wouldn't write 70 because we have this 4 next to it. If it was 70 million, I could write 70. But since it's 74 million, I have to switch that from 0 to a 4. So right now I have 74. To look at this and see I see a million, I know then I need to put a comma. So right now we have 74, comma. The comma stands for right now million. Next thing I see here is 200. I'm going to look again. So I see 200, and then I see the number 6. Well, now I have to think to myself, 200 and then 6. I don't see anything like 60, 70, 240, 230. So since this right here does not have a 10,000 in it, I know that I need to represent that with a 0. And then I see it goes to 6. So right now we have 200, 6,000. I see that 1,000 again, so I can, or not again, but I see 1,000, so I know that I can put a comma there. And then we go to 400. Now after that I see and. Well, if I see 400 and I don't see any 10s or 1s, then I know I can represent 400 as zeros. Okay, and is always a decimal point. 85, so we see 80, I know that's an 8. 5, and then hundreds. So I know that my 5 is in the hundredths place. I remember that this is the hundredths place. Remember this is the tenths place. Okay, so we have tenths and hundreds. So I know that my full number here now is 74,206,485 hundredths. What that would look like altogether if I wrote it as one number. I have 74,206,485 hundredths. So again, we took a long number that was in the word form and translated that into standard.